To assemble your new TRIMAX TWL100 Wheel Lock, remove all of the parts from the box and lay them out on a table. The next step is to attach the cover to the wheel lock. To do this, remove the nut from the swivel arm. As well as the washer. Position the cover. The bolt has a self-locking back, so all you need to do is apply pressure from behind the bolt as you tighten the nut on top of the washer. You can tighten the bolt with a 17mm socket. Using an extension will make the installation easier. Torque the bolt until it is tight. Your assembly is now complete.